Right, so basically this video shows you how to export photos from your Google Photos to your MacBook Pro and how to troubleshoot when the AirDrop sign isn't displaying on your phone. So I've selected photos from my Google Photos. So I click on AirDrop and I should expect to see, the corresponding MacBook Pro icon displayed on my phone. So I click AirDrop. So that's the corresponding logo, the AirDrop logo that says that it's in my computer. So I click on that as well, and it's downloading all the files from my Google Photos straight to my computer or my MacBook Pro. If I am struggling to find the um, MacBook Pro icon on my phone, so all I need to do is to go to the the right hand pane where I've got the Bluetooth icon and turn it on and off. And that should enable the MacBook Pro AirDrop icon to display on my phone to enable a swift transfer of files or photos from my phone down to my MacBook Pro. And if you're still struggling to find the MacBook Pro AirDrop icon, that provides synergy between your phone and your MacBook Pro, then just restart your computer. It might just be, a glitch in the software. So restart your computer, and I'm 100% confident that that should work, providing all of the conditions are satisfied. Right, so if you found the information in this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hopefully catch up with you soon as soon as I've got more upcoming videos. Goodbye. Bye now.